Hey everybody, today I review the new chocolate and peanut butter Twinkies from Hostess.
Why bother? You know they will be tasty. You just wanted to eat them, you fat bastard.
They do look tasty. I'll even do a quick coffee review while I'm at it.
I bet this box of Twinkies does not last the day. Fatty.
Shut up, WatchBot, let me open them already. So let's talk about the coffee first. It's McDonald's McCafe Premium Roast K-Cup. Considering it's McDonald's branded, I had pretty low expectations for it, but it's actually better than average, which is a pleasant surprise. Time to shove this Twinkie in my face.
Nom 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 nom.
As expected, it's really good. Nice and moist with a creamy, nutty taste.
I have got something moist and creamy you can put in your mouth.
WatchBot, that's just nasty.
It also has a nutty taste.
Enough. Anyhow, it reminds me less of a Twinkie and more of that 7-Eleven cupcake I reviewed a few years back. Follow the link to see that review. It goes well with coffee, but it's a bit over the top for me. I don't think I'll be buying another box. I definitely will finish off this box, however.
Probably you will finish it before the end of the day.
I really hate you sometimes, WatchBot.
You know I speak the truth.
Anyhow, there's a list of ingredients and calorie stuff on the back of the box if you're into that. That's all I have for now. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.
Nom 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 nom. Oh nom 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 nom.